The next question is, when you use the Riva LC bond, do you need to cover the cable surface area, unlike traditional glass ionomer liners? Yeah, this can go on dentin and enamel. So I'm going to go all the way up onto the enamel, and like I showed you in that one picture, in placing it, you're going to get a little excess probably up onto the enamel that wasn't even prepared, maybe on a cuss tip. That's fine. You can polish that down. I'd rather have it extended over and protecting the area than not, than being short. So by all means, it's not a problem to go ahead and cover the cable surface areas, but you need to go ahead and extend onto enamel. You have to cover the dentin and enamel if you're going to use this entirely. Let's see, next question. After using the Riva, would you still use chlorhexidine after etching or G5? You bring up a great question. I would say I wouldn't waste my time placing those materials down there. And the reason I say that is, yes, they help offset some MMP activity, but they do not eliminate MMP activity. So knowing that they don't eliminate it, we know eventually MMP activity will start up again. But the wonderful thing about the glass ionomer technology is you get true covalent bonds to the tooth structure. You are not relying on resin tags impregnated into the dentinal areas where you're getting the actual degradation of resin. So you have a glass ionomer lattice here, and so that lattice and structure is not being degraded by the MMP activity from what they've shown so far. And so because of that, currently you don't need to utilize the chlorhexidine and or something like a G5 Gluma based system after etching. But you brought up a great question.